and then the scalp flaking off into the hair, which doesn't create such an appealing look. But as you see, the color is just so much more rich and it looks a whole lot better. With it cooling off outside, my skin and my scalp have become more and more dry, which has been creating dry scalp and flakes and dandruff and all kinds of stuff for my hair. You can see some of this kind of dandruff right here, and this is just the scalp getting dry and then the scalp flaking off into the hair, which doesn't create such an appealing look. Like you can see that right there. So today I'm going to fix that problem by using a special shampoo, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. We're going to start out by wetting the hair, and I'm using medium heat water. I'm not using hot, and I'm not using cold as well. Now in order to wash the hair today, I'm going to be using the DREADLOCK ACV shampoo, and I'm going to do quite a bit of wash, rinse, and repeat. Now you can use this as your daily shampoo, but today is mostly for a detox. You can see as I apply it to the hair, it automatically will start to lather. But since this is my first wash, it's not gonna lather up a whole lot. And obviously as I rinse and repeat, it will lather up a lot more. And you can see as I'm washing the hair, a lot is coming out of it. I gotta say this handheld shower head is really handy. If you have one of these, I would highly recommend using it when washing the hair, because you can really get in there and rinse off the scalp. But now I'm going in for my second wash. This time I'm gonna start from the back. And with me having so many locks, I find that I have to use quite a bit of shampoo. But that's completely okay because this is a detox. Now, if I were just doing a day-to-day wash, I would probably only wash my hair once and be okay with it. And that's if I'm washing my hair every single day. And that's really up to you. But realistically, I wash my hair maybe once every month. Realistically, I probably wash my hair once a month. And with washing your hair once a month, you have to wash, rinse, and repeat quite a bit. But when you see me rinse out the hair, you can see how much this is getting out of my hair and how well this shampoo actually works. But my main focus when washing the hair is really attacking the scalp and getting any buildup off of it. But I'll go ahead and wash, rinse, and repeat a couple more times, and then we'll get into the maintenance portion of the transformation. Hey, do you want locks? Then let me tell you about these awesome new locking products I've started using. They're all on DREADLOCKS.com. DREADLOCKS is a lock care company that goes beyond the roots by making locking up hair easy for anyone. I was overwhelmed by the way lock products were developed in this industry, so I have one simple goal: get rid of the fluff and take the difficulties out of lock care by creating products that do what they say and being a company that says what they do. Always honest, always great, always innovative, only on DREADLOCKS.com. Guys, my hair is completely clean. I ended up giving myself a lineup and did a little hairstyle. That full transformation is down below. You can click that link and check out that entire video of me doing the full ultimate transformation on my hair. And I enjoy doing that with my hair. I like washing my hair, doing a little detox, which I use my ACV shampoo. And then I did a retwist with the DREADLOCKS Maximum Hold Locking Gel, which is my favorite locking gel. You only have to use a little bit. A little goes a long way, and I can literally last that tub for, I think last time I had it for 2 years. So it lasts a long time, especially if you only use a little bit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed how I washed my hair. It's very simple, and I think it's easier to do versus doing like a full-on detox, because this is a detox in a bottle and it's perfect. And as you guys can tell, I'm gonna give you guys like a little zoom in really quick. You guys can see that my hair is really clean. It looks really rich. One thing I've noticed after doing these videos is I have a ton of gray hair, and I'm not sure why, but I have like one right here. I have a ton like on the side. Like, see that one right there? Bro, it's so weird. Like, look at all these right here too. Like, what? And like, if you see any of these like little specks right there, that's just those are just broken ends or like split ends that are sticking outside of the lot. Completely normal. My camera is super high definition, that's why you pick up on those things. But as you see, the color is just so much more rich and it looks a whole lot better. But this is after the wash, and man, like, look at that. Sheesh, looks clean. Did a little bit of a retwist, and it just looks good, man. I like making my hair look as great as I possibly can, and I encourage you guys to do the same. So if you want to detox your hair and clean all that gunk or dry scalp or build up out of your hair, then I highly recommend getting the ACV shampoo. It's perfect for your hair. And it's not just for dreadlocks. You can do this with any hair type, with any hair, whether it's in locks or outside of locks. But it's an overall great product, and I highly encourage all of you guys to try it out. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video of the hair wash and the detox. And I know it was in the transformation as well, but I like to pull these videos out for anybody that needs just to wash their hair or learn how to wash their hair. And of course, I was able to show you guys this new ACV shampoo that I've been using, and it's just a great product. But besides all that, if you noticed on my channel, all I create is dreadlock content to help people that were just like me with creating their locks. But my whole goal is to make it so easy for you to create locks, because 7 years ago, I had no clue how to do it, and I really wanted locks. And realistically, I've been wanting locks since I was a little kid. And a lot of kids watch my videos, and a lot of, older adults watch my videos as well. A lot of parents watch my videos that want to create dreadlocks for their children, and a lot of locticians watch my videos to get inspiration on how to treat their clients. So my whole goal is to bring so much value to you guys, and I really hope that these videos being broken down does help you out a lot. I wanted to update you guys really quickly on what I have planned here in the near future, and I'm really excited about. I plan on going out in public and do some public stuff with dreadlocks. So actually giving people dreadlocks in public, people rating my dreadlocks in public, me rating people's dreadlocks in public. And there are a lot of other public videos that I want to do. I have more tutorials that I'm going to be creating for you guys. And also there was something else that I had written down. I'm just not exactly sure what it was. But I have a lot of awesome ideas that I'm going to be bringing to you guys, and it's actually going to be fresh content. I know a lot of people comment, yo, why are your videos just like kind of repeated? And it's not that it's repeated, it's that I've learned new ways to actually accomplish these things that I'm trying to do with my hair. So if it's a hair washing video, it's because I learned something new along the process that's different from my last hair wash. Or if it's how to use a crochet hook, it's a way to use it better. My whole goal is to continue to get better and better and better, so that if you get a crochet hook, or you get locking gel, or you get shampoo, or you get a hair oil, or whatever you get, you know exactly how to use it on yourself so that you can benefit from it. And I know you heard me throw hair oil in there, and I've been kind of bashing hair oil for the last 6 years, but keep that in mind. That's kind of one of the things that you use to allow your hair to grow faster, and it's just one of my secrets that I'm going to be revealing. I know I've been elongating this really long, but we already have it coming in. It's actually a product we're going to be launching very soon. And that's all the information I want to give you right now, because I'm really excited for this product. And just be patient, okay? You guys are going to thank me later once it comes out. But I do want to thank you guys so much. I think I'm going to spend this time right here to kind of just give thanks. And I always do this like kind of randomly throughout my YouTube journey of thanking you guys for being here to support me. And I really wouldn't be making these videos if it weren't for you guys. I can learn all this stuff myself, and it can benefit me or the people that I talk to in person. But I want to pour it out into you guys so that you guys know exactly how to do these things. And of course, speaking about pouring things out into you, if you want to take it a step further and actually learn directly from me, you can join one of my classes that are linked down below, and I can help you out a ton. But you guys, thank you. All right, it's crazy. It's awesome. It's been a long journey, but I'm excited for this next one that's coming up. So stay tuned for all the new things that are coming out very soon. See you guys in the next one.